my name is Sarah Luke and I'm doing an informative video on how to load and turn on a dishwasher. Yes, my dishwasher is out of frame a little bit. The first step of what I normally do is go around my house and gather all dishes that are left around, because I am from the generation that eats in front of television and screens, so I normally have like cups and stuff left in my office. So I'll go around picking all that and bring it all to my sink. From there, while I do the gathering, I'll normally have the water running to where my water will heat up to be a tolerable hot water. And when I mean tolerable, you can touch it without physically burning yourself, because a lot of people have different temperatures they can handle. From there, I scrub all the food off. I do a pre-scrub before loading it into my dishwasher. And for time's sake, I already loaded my dishwasher, which should look somewhat like this. I have a very old dishwasher. I rent my house. So the top portion, which is the top rack, should be plates, cups, silverware, small spoons. Some do have their silverware baskets either in the door of the dishwasher or at the bottom level. My mom's has the dish rack at the bottom level, but typically your smaller items are here. I have special circumstances because whoever put the dishwasher in put it too close to my oven, and my dishwasher drawer does not door open fully. So moving on. Next, you'll put pots, pans, anything can fit that's not, anything that is typically tall goes in the bottom. I have a few pans, I have some bowls, but since mine is shorter on the bottom than on the top, all my taller stuff goes on my top rack. So now you find your dish liquid, which can come in very many brands. We use Cascade in my house. Not sponsored. I thought I'd have a little fun with this. Typically you will find them under the sink. Some people use pods. Same application process. You just take a pod, don't eat it, throw it in mine's a circle, the detergent portion right here, and then close it to where it's locked in. For us, it is liquid, so you take it, you squeeze, and you undo it. Fill this up all the way, close it, make sure it's closed, and pick it up. Most are buttons. Nowadays they are buttons. Mine's a lever and a notch, which I find is funny, but I do love the pretty blue color. So I will take the lever. The lever will close, locking it to making sure this is all done. For anything else, this will always be locked, so nothing's coming out while you're trying to load it. And then I'll take this, pots and pans, and instantly turns on. Thank you for watching.